Hey, this is Carl here. I'm doing what I think might be the final test drive, trying to dial in the Frank Quick SLP. I had like 13.5 to 1, and I want to target 13.0, 12.9, 12.8. I'll be happy with that. So I added more to the tune for wide open throttle. Of course, cruising, drivability is all right in there. That's not hard to tune. It almost tunes itself. But dialing in wide open throttle is the wideband is what I've been using. Now, right now I have it in the stock bung. I was having nothing but trouble putting it down in the tailpipe last week. So it's in the stock bung, so the car's going to run without the right O2 reporting to, well, it's going to show 450 millivolts. And the computer's okay with that. All I'm interested in is seeing what it does wide open throttle, how it fuels at wide open throttle. The rest of the data will be not usable, so to speak. And then I'll cruise around with that wideband out of it, do a nice long data log, see if there's anything else to tweak on, such as idle and drivability. It's a good looking car. That's why I wanted to get video of it. Well, what do you know? I got it in reverse on the first try. Or did I? Yep. Still trying to make sure the coolant system is bled all the way. Matter of fact, let me go out there and do that. Good thing I went out there, the top bleeder, not the small bleeder, but the top bleeder is loose. It was spitting. It was bleeding itself. Okay. People out here. I was going to go full throttle, but dog walkers and cars do my pull out of the parking lot, do full throttle, and drive into Cape Canaveral Road and be done. I'll pull full first gear. Gently. Hopefully I don't hit the road limiter. Okay, here we go.